is the solution here. Make sense to you now? Okay, and some of you sit there, you guys say, okay, Mr. This is boring. I already know all this stuff here. Why we have to go this one? I'm trying to say that for some of you, still, I'm not quite sure. But I'm going to continue to make it complicated now, okay? So right now, some of you feel like they say, okay, Mr. You are walking too slow now, okay? Don't worry, I'm going to walk a little bit faster now, and I hope you're able to catch up me very well, okay? So right now, up to this point, okay, I think in the beginning of the class, we talked about this. Everybody enjoyed doing program. But until I start talking about method, a lot of you just have no idea what he's talking about. What the method? In the beginning, we have everything into the main program. We have a peaceful, happier life. Right now, you just throw in a method. I just don't know what's going on here. Okay, so let's go ahead and convert this one. We are not done yet. Okay, everybody ready now? You just put on your seatbelt. You're going to get in much quicker now. Oh, it's 8 o'clock. I really would like to postpone that test on the Wednesday night. Is that okay with everybody?
Yeah.
For those of you who want to take test, I should give them a 10-point bonus point, right?
No.
For those of you saying yes, want to take it. Okay. But anyway, the reason I would like to postpone it because I don't want you to ready and take my test, wasting my time, waste your time. Don't do that. Don't do that. Okay. I spent a lot of time to create a test, and you came in without preparation. And you make a 0, not 0. You'll get some point. You make a 30 or 40. Every test I give it to you, you at least make a C. Please make a C. Don't make a D or F. You make me sad. Or just like when you come home, when you come to my house, I invite you to have a Thanksgiving dinner. It took me 3 days to cook the turkey, and you came in and say, I'm full. I cannot eat anything. It's just sad, right? I just so sad. I prepared this nice test, and you came in just blank. It happened. Some of you you just blank on the method. Okay, most of the choice, everybody always has an answer. But when it comes to the fill in the blank, okay, when it comes to write a method program, it's blank. It's nothing there. I'm so sorry for this student. I did make a comment here. I was so nicely. I would say, okay, you need to start in hard. Maybe next time I will not nice to you. I will say, okay, I'm going to call your mom. Say, how come you didn't answer anything here? So next time, I ask you to write a method. If you don't know how to write it, you just put your mom the phone number or your girlfriend phone number there. Okay?
Right.
So everybody ready now? I'm going to, this is your last chance. I'm going to show you how to create a method here. And you're going to say, Mr. On here, oh, I see just one big, humongous method called the main method. That's not good enough. We need to break it up. But the next question is, how can I break it up? You need to break it up, and then, okay, let's go ahead and learn how to break it up, okay? Okay, I know this is the input, right? Okay, this is the input, right? So I'm going to break it up, make an input function. And this is what? Calculation, right? I'm going to break it up. It's a calculation. What's that? This is output, right? So I'm going to break it up. So I already have a good idea now. I'm going to break it up in this, I'm going to module from this one method. I'm going to branch it out 3 more methods. So the total of this class is going to have a 4 methods. Okay, everybody right now, I'm going to show you how to break it up now, okay? Again, last time, a lot of students, when you come into a break it up here, okay, if you, on the final exam, if you solve a problem without using the method, you just write everything here, in the method here, and you're going to say, Miss Fun, I got the right answer, $800. That's what you're looking for, right? If you give me this one, you'll get 0. Okay, let me tell you, you'll get 0. And it doesn't matter, you get the answer right one. You are not doing the right way, okay? So it's very important. You need to know how to break it up. Okay, everybody ready now? So how to break it up? I'm going to break it up. Use this guy. What's that? All the input get into one method. So how much here up to the point? Control X, just cut it. Put it outside of the main. Don't put it here, okay? Don't put it here, okay? Some of you put it here. Oh, that's the, that made my heart hurt, okay? Don't put it outside, okay? Put it inside the class. Okay? How about put it here? Good choice. How about put it here? Not a bad choice. Okay, I think that the book sometimes they put it in the front, in the back. Okay, but never put it here. Never put it here. Right after that. Okay, don't do that. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead and put into. Okay, so you have a two choice. Okay, either here. Okay, let's go ahead and do that here. Public, static. Okay, input usually you don't return anything, right? So you will say, okay, no, the input, the variable, when you pass by value, you won't get it. Okay, that's a problem. Okay, but I don't want to get into that much detail. Okay, let's go ahead and make the thing is much easier. Let's go ahead and we have a 3 input, right? Let's break it up. 1 method, 1 input. That's okay. It does not hurt. We're going to return a double, right? So this one going to get big, okay? And we're going to attach in a scanner, so everybody don't have to write his own scanner here, okay? So I'm going to put it here, but this one is only for book. This one is only for book, okay? So I don't need a scanner now, okay? I'll just leave it there. So I'm going to go ahead and continue. I'm going to do a little bit quick and dirty coding, okay? So I have to do something like that 3 times. Each one for 1 time, okay? If you know what you're doing, I mean, copy and paste is the most powerful way to get a job done. I mean, that's how I do the work. I just copy and paste all day long. Okay, otherwise, if I type it, I'm not a good typer, but I'm a good copier. So I just copy and paste. You see, I'm done now. Okay, all you need to do is just change the name here. Don't forget to change your name. Okay, what else here? Don't forget about return, okay? Return what? BKP. Don't forget this guy. And then how about this one here? This one, you don't want to get book. You want to get PC, right? Okay, you want to get PC, right? And don't forget about this return, right? I bet you tonight test, okay, or Wednesday night test. Or you're going to forget about return. If you forget a return statement and the method require return, if you forget return, you will get 0 on that one, okay? Don't forget that. So I'm going to remind you here. Don't forget about your return, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and copy this one here. And then here, instead of get book, I have to say I get paper, right? And here is still get PC. That's good. That's good to me. So I got 3 more methods ready now. Okay, up to this point, I already break it up now. Okay, 3 more input statement here, and then the next day, I had to break it up for the calculation. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, calculation. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Calculation here, and I'm going to use this guy. It's my template. So I'll go ahead and use this guy as my template. So I can finish coding here. By the way, on the final exam, you only have 2 hours, okay? And you're going to write the code too. So make sure you know learn how to do the coding faster, okay? Okay, and this is calculation. So this is not a get, right? This is the compute sum, okay? And in this case, I don't need a scanner, right? And okay, I think how many methods I got so far? Right? Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. I think I need 1 more method for my output. Then I'm almost done, and then I do some fine tuning and ready to go now. So I got this one. I take it out from here, move it outside to make another output here. Because this Wednesday night test going to be you're going to write in method, okay, everywhere, and every question is a method. If you don't understand the method very well, you're going to fail on the Wednesday night test. I guarantee it. Okay, So right now, I'm going to go ahead and remember, this is the output. You should not have a return. This guy should not be a double. Should be void. Okay, you have to remember that. Okay, and okay, I think I got I already split it up everywhere now. But the next thing is the difficult thing is how to call it. That is the most important. How to call my friend. Okay, you know, just you go out one night. You go out. You went out with a nice girl, and you have a good time, and then she didn't want to give you her phone number. So how are you going to call her? So that's a problem, right?